Last time on Total Drama, Revenge of the Island. 10 campers went on a scavenger hunt. That was spooky and very, very painful. And Maria and Vito sucked face. And just when we thought it couldn't get any weirder, Arachna Izzy showed up to do an 8-legged tap dance for a captive audience. And her buddy Chef. In the end, Brick left 5 teammates behind and volunteered for a dishonorable discharge. But I put him on the opposite team instead. Hey, it's my show. I can do what I want. Watch.
Where am I? Ow!
Who will ride the hurl of shame next? How many times can I laugh at them before then? Find out right now on Total Drama All-Stars!
The mom and dad, I'm doing fine. You guys are on my mind. You asked me what I wanted to be, and now I think the answer is plain to see. I wanna be famous. I wanna live close to the sun. Oh, pack your bags, cause I've already won. Everything to prove, nothing in my way. I'll get there one day. Cause I wanna be famous. Na 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 na. I wanna be famous. I wanna be famous. I bet it's a bug pizza.
Rubber chickens! A karaoke machine!
Come on, everybody. Blythe's big surprise for us has to be better than that stuff. She's Blythe. She doesn't mess around when she promises something we will all flip for.
So, do you think it's cupcakes? I'd flip for cupcakes.
Ah!
Look at me. I'm wearing my favorite bathing suit. And look, I have my sand bucket and my shovel. Guess where I'm going today? You're right. I'm going to the beach. Do you want to come with me? Super! I like to find seashells and dig in the sand. What do you like to do at the beach? Oh, I like to do that too. I love the beach, 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 beach. Yeah. It's beach day.
You're right, Kailan.
给你一个风筝。
我最喜欢放风筝了。We can fly Yaya's kite at the beach.
The beach!
We're going to the beach. It's beach day, Kylan. Beach day, beach day. Well, Lila. It's our friends, Rintu, Ho-Ho, and Toli. Yes, I love the beach. I love digging. I have 2 sand pails.
So, is anybody ready to go to the beach?
We are.
好，我们走。
跟我来。Let's all go to the beach, beach, beach. Let's all go to the beach, beach, beach.
Pooh Bear? I didn't know Tigger had a family.
Yes, only it appears that he has lost them.
Seem to be looking for 'em.
Was that something we were supposed to be doing, too?
Why, I believe it must be, Piglet. I quite often remember to forget these sorts of things. All right, you're coming, Robert.
To look for more Tiggers? As if one wasn't bad enough. No. I have too many winter preparations to make, and if you three had any sense, you'd be doing the same.
Come on.